Hello, this is a video response to Sean the Silver Fox with his S-hook tripod video. And I looked at the first part of it and I thought you could probably make it with a carabiner. And when I watched part 2, I went to the comment section afterwards to see if I was the first to come up with that, but Texas Outback also had the same idea. So this video is to show mine and Texas Outback's idea. So I've pre-set it up and it's raining now, so I have to be quick about it. I got the climbing grade Carabiner. It's a bit big, but it holds up thanks to the small branches going out there, and a kettle hanging from it. Not the ideal kettle, just for visual purposes. So there's about 2 liters of water, and yeah, that's it. So thanks again, Sean, for getting our creative juices flowing, and see you later. Bye.